You just get me a course similar to this at cheaper price. I'll give you the course for free. So there is no comparison, bro. Whenever you are comparing, I don't like comparison. You give me feedback, you give me constructive feedback. Your course has this problems. Check out the course. You check out whatever. You take my top mate session also. I take constructive feedback very nicely, because if you check out my top mate session also, there would have been around 250 300 top mate sessions people would have booked, and around 70 to 80 people would have given feedbacks, and 99% of the feedbacks are positive. And some of the feedback I've seen, by mistake they gave me 1 or 2 star rating by mistake, because I personally get their phone number or email ID. I send them an email, I call them, why did you rate so less? And then they say it was by mistake that I gave this rating. I actually wanted to give 5. Okay. So they confuse, like, one is you are the best, like I'm number one. So that way they would have given 1 star, but the actual meaning was 1 star is less and 5 star is the highest. So that way they could not relate, and that is why. And there have been some circumstance where I joined the top mate session late. There would, because obviously there will be a genuine reason why would I want to join the top mate session else late. And because of that, I would have given, I usually, if I do a mistake like this, I give them more time, 15 to 30 minutes. I will give it extra time from my side. Usually all top mates I give more than 15-20 minutes extra. If they book a 1 hour session, I would usually talk to them for 1 hour 50 minutes, 1 hour 30 minutes. And if they booked a 2 hour session, I will usually talk to them for 2.5 3 hours. Okay, so time I usually give. Sometimes I joined late and in hurry bhari they would have given the rating, and then I personally called them and then they said it was only that you joined late. And then I spoke to them, I asked them to send an email to topmate, and then they have changed their review also, because I cannot call and tell topmate to change my review, but those who have booked it, they can change. So when they change, they send an email saying that it was by mistake, I would have given the rating. Okay. And sometimes there is an expectation mismatch, because they would have come to take guidance on data science or something else, but I am a data tester guide. Okay, ETL testing and data testing and little more data engineering I can give guidance. Okay, if somebody is coming with a false expectation in the first 5-10 minutes, if I understand, I usually cancel the session, I give them a refund. I'm not here for money, guys. I'm telling you frankly, I'm not here for money. Okay. For each referral you get 2K, but only when you join the course. Okay, and then within 3 months, if you get 100% hike, you get 100% refund of the course. And within 6 months, if you get 100% hike, then you get 50% refund. Okay, this is it. Okay, and my course also, I have doubt sessions, I personally give guidance. So that is why the course fee is high, and it's not that I want to. I don't know how to answer your question. I give course fee, which will make the course fee. Yes. Also, there is a challenge. This is challenge one. Challenge two, you get 100% like in 6 months. Purchase the course, you will get. Okay, and I've also answered your question in a video, so I'll post this video and maybe that will help you. Yeah. Okay. 1 month ago, difference between database, data lake, and data warehouse. Okay, so JSON would be a good addition to the library. Yeah, in this video I have asked whether
if you achieve a 100% hike within 3 months, you'll get a full refund.